Hi guys, I will open this HTC 626S. First we're gonna open the back cover of the phone, and then I'm gonna take the loose. I'm gonna use the Phillips screwdriver for to take off the screw from the back, take off the cover, and then I'm gonna remove all this screwdriver right here, and then the sticker by the battery. Only 2 screws for the Phillips screwdriver. And the rest is a star. See how the star start right here, screw right here, and then there are another screw under the valve. You need to pay attention to it. I had opened all the screw and then I use this plastic to open from the back. We just go around the phone. Start remove take off some flap right here and bury cable. Let's take off the flap from the battery first. I use the tweezer. Now remove the battery. You can use the hard because there are some adhesive under the battery. You have to careful, don't insert it too deep from the inside. You may tear some the coat, like the wrap of the battery. See the adhesive on the side right here, on the side also. Okay, next I'm gonna take off those yellow tape right here to cover this flap. You can use your finger now. Open the lock. Okay. Take off the flap of the lock. This one right here, one right here. Now you can do the flat head. Let's see what it is, the flat head. To lift up the variant because they are connector go on the motherboard. Need the flat head. Another lock right here. Another flat that's the connect the motherboard right here. Now the motherboard come out. To open the screen, we're gonna lift up this tape. This screen up. You can do the heat gun to melt, go around the screen to melt the glue, or you can do on the heating machine. I'm gonna hit the screen on the heating machine for 25 minutes at 80 degrees. But if you don't have the heating machine, you can use the heat gun. Try to lift it up, and then as you a piece of hot plastic, you can break through all the glue around the screen. Okay. After I hit the screen, I use the razor to find at the corner. So if your screen is broke, you may not put the razor at any corner. Try to break one spot. And then I use a piece of hot plastic to break all the glue around the screen first before I insert the dipper inside to separate the LCD. Okay, let's run this plastic all around the phone to break the surround tape first. This part is a little harder because the tape is very thick. Insert all the way in. Put it deeper. I only care for the light right here. There are only one light under here. But for the top one, they don't have any light. two side tape, put the small one to put around the new screen. And for the fan, make sure to remove all the old tape, bring all the old tape, and then to put it back, you take off all the tape, and then put the flag inside first. Put the flag to the frame first, and then you're gonna stick the screen on. Flag is under the motherboard. If you set them right at the right position, you just press the motherboard down, and then you're gonna clap it. You set them right at the right position. You just press the motherboard down, and then you're gonna clap it. piece on this side. To you. The job is done. I had take apart this ATC626. When I have time, I'm gonna upload more video for you to see. Thank you.